Automation Solutions is able to provide class-leading optical conveyor solutions, which can improve the efficiency and productivity of your optical lab. The design of our optical lab conveyor systems takes into consideration your machine capability, size capacity, available footprint, and people integration. We offer small systems through to full factory installations, which feed job trays through many processes within a lab. These include job launch and unpacking, taping, blocking, surfacing, laser marking, generating and polishing, deblock and detape, tracing, glazing, coating, assembly, quality inspection, and packing and dispatch. Our optical lens conveyor systems are standalone and work with many different lens processing machines. This benefit provides you with the freedom to choose processing machine manufacturers and gives the ability to easily add different machine types in the future. Conveyor feed systems are also easy to modify, reconfigure, and expand as your business changes and grows. Monk Conveyor Systems use our standard optical devices to create a bespoke feed system. This will be cost-effective, reliable, and tailored to your lab. Our standard optical devices include stop gates, tray pushers and turners, machine link conveyors, tray transfer units, auto tray stacking machines, tray buffers, sorting machines, workstations, and pick-to-light. Our survey drive tray lifts take trays above walkways, over machines, and onto mezzanine floors. Monk's software and touchscreens make systems easy for the operator to use and configure. Our barcode and RFID readers mean we can identify job trays and use job-specific VCA details to route work around your lab. Our reporting system can provide useful data to measure the performance KPI of your optical lab. We have our own in-house design team for equipment design and control system design. Also, an in-house control panel build facility, along with software writing, all of which are installed by our own mechanical and electrical installation team. Our systems are supported by a 1 or 2 year warranty option. Service and maintenance visits and training are also provided. We also support the running of our systems with telephone and dial-in software support plans with guaranteed response times. Automation Solutions' partnership with Monk provides optical lab conveyor design excellence with advanced automation and controls expertise. This alliance ensures the delivery of fully integrated high-performance solutions backed by responsive local support while sharing our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The companies ensure customers receive a turnkey solution with the highest level of products, service, and support. We can supply small individual conveyors through to complete conveyor systems and factory automation installations. Our systems are designed to ensure that every processing machine is kept continuously fed with work. Improve efficiency of your optical lab with Automation Solutions.